I don't rap and I don't sing, but I got some words for y'all. Hopefully y'all can.
Hold on. What's your name there, baby?
They call me Lovely Poetics.
They call you Lovely Poetics.
Yeah.
So you got some Lovely Poetics?
I don't know. Y'all gotta let me know when y'all hear it.
Man, give it back, man. Good. How's that? I'm gonna sit right behind your ass. Your name is Lovely Poetics.
Hopefully you like what I say sitting back there.
Okay, so I'm sit right behind your ass.
Go on to do that. Alright. Go on and take your seat. Alright, this is called Got to Be More Careful. Maybe some of y'all can relate to this. I don't know. Silly me for loving you with my eyes closed. Wearing my heart on my shoulder like it was an open-toe shoe. Walking around here carrying my love like it was a tote bag. Giving you more than 100%. Benching and flexing to make things work. And all you did was play me like a puppet as if my love was worthless. Got to be more careful. Can't believe a word they say. You can't believe the things they do. And all I did was spend my loving time with you. Can't believe they getting away with what they do. Just messing over me and you. Got to be more damn careful.